Ever thought your height was fixed? Think again. With just 5 simple exercises, you can start seeing real results in as little as a few days. And here's the kicker. You're likely shorter than you should be, but it's not your fault. Gravity is pulling you down every day, compressing your spine and reducing your height. In fact, you could be losing up to 2 inches just from gravity alone. But there's good news. This isn't permanent. Through a few focused exercises, you can reverse the damage and reclaim your height permanently. Here's how. Exercise number 1, wall angels. Wall angels are one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your posture and, as a result, gain visible height. Here's how it works. Stand against a wall with your buttocks, upper back, and head touching the surface. Raise your arms to shoulder height and bend your elbows so your hands point upward. Slowly slide your arms up and down the wall, mimicking the motion of angel wings. Keep your back and arms pressed against the wall the whole time. It's harder than it sounds. Most people can't even keep their hands or elbows against the wall for 10 seconds. This simple motion is a game changer for fixing poor posture, which can cause your spine to curve forward, making you look shorter. Aim for 10 slow reps and repeat for 2 to 3 sets daily. Over time, your posture will improve and you'll start standing taller. Exercise number 2, glute bridges. If you sit for long periods of time, your hip muscles may have tightened, causing something called anterior pelvic tilt. This shift in posture can make you appear shorter. But with the glute bridge, you can fix this in no time. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Push through your heels and lift your hips into the air, tightening your glutes at the top of the movement. Lower back down slowly to complete 1 rep. This exercise strengthens your glutes and pulls your hips back into proper alignment, helping you regain your natural height. Do 10 to 15 reps, resting between sets, and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. It's an easy move that works wonders. Exercise number 3, Cobra Stretch. The Cobra Stretch is a fantastic way to decompress your spine and give it some much-needed space. As gravity compresses your spine throughout the day, this stretch helps reverse that pressure. Lie flat on your stomach and place your hands under your shoulders. Push your chest up off the ground using your arms, keeping your hips and legs pressed down. Look forward or slightly up, and breathe deeply as you hold the stretch for 1 to 2 seconds before lowering back down. Repeat this stretch 8 to 10 times, resting for a few seconds in between. This simple exercise can help counteract the effects of gravity and create more space between your spinal discs, making you feel and appear taller instantly. Exercise number 4, dead hangs. It might sound too simple, but hanging from a bar can do wonders for your height. By letting gravity stretch your spine, you're allowing your body to return to its natural length. Find a sturdy bar and grab it with both hands. Hang freely, keeping your body relaxed. You're not doing a workout here, just letting your spine decompress naturally. Start with 20 to 30 seconds of hanging, then rest. Repeat for 2 to 3 sets. You can even keep your toes lightly touching the ground for most of the benefits. Hanging not only decompresses your spine, but it also promotes better blood flow, relieves back pain, and helps you feel more relaxed. It's one of the easiest yet most effective exercises for height. Exercise number 5, cat-cow pose. The cat-cow pose is an excellent way to increase your flexibility and give your spine a much-needed workout. It's great for anyone who sits for long periods and helps maintain a healthy, flexible spine. Get down on your hands and knees, with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Start by rounding your back and tucking your chin towards your chest. This mimics the cat position. Then, slowly reverse the movement, lowering your belly and lifting your chest, like a cow looking upward. Repeat this 10 to 15 times, matching your breath to each movement. This exercise stimulates fluid release in your spinal discs, which keeps them healthy and helps you stand taller. It's a simple move that will make a big difference over time. Follow this routine consistently, and you'll see a noticeable difference in your height and posture. The best part? It doesn't matter how old you are. Anyone can benefit from these exercises. Start today and unlock your true height.